Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you're welcome. Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you a very simple home remedy that you should know that these things already. That combining them together would actually help you to turn your gray hair to dark. Now you have to also be consistent in it. Now, one of the causes of gray hair is just genetic. It just comes naturally, and also the melanin in it actually makes your hair dark. Now, when the melanin stop producing, then you begin to see that your hair begin to turn white. Well, this home remedy is just going to darken the ones that are white already at the outer part. Okay, so if you want to know what it is, which is actually very simple, to continue watching and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thumbs up the video and turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. All right, let me take you right into this video. You're going to be needing some lemon, guys. Surprising, lemon is rich in vitamin C, which improves the rate which your hair grows by boosting the production of collagen. The acidic nature of lemon helps tighten the hair follicles, curbing hair falls. It helps clean the scalp and unclog hair follicles. It also helps to darken the hair. It increases the hair texture, and it also helps to tighten your hair follicles, therefore making your hair grow really black. And we're going to be needing to use coconut oil. Coconut oil stimulates hair growth, getting deep into your hair follicles. It also helps to promote the scalp. It fights against such problems as insect lice, dandruff, and it adds shines and luster to your hair. It will help in improving the darkness and texture of the hair. Now you're going to be needing to use activated charcoal powder, or you can actually use the charcoal you have in your house right now. Blend it and put it into this mix. It's going to give you that darkness and texture in which you desire. Mixing it with coconut oil and as well as lemon is going to make life better. And yeah guys, you're going to be needing to use vitamin E oil or E capsule. Now vitamin E contains an antioxidant property that repair the hair damaged follicles, prevents tissue corrosion, it promotes healthy hair growth. Vitamin E promotes blood circulation and acts as deep moisturizer to the hair. Alright, so I'm gonna be needing to cutting the lemon and squeezing the juice into this bowl. Just half cut of the lemon is okay, except your hair is very long, then you can use one full one or two. Now you have to sieve this all out because we actually do not need any particles hanging on the hair. Alright, so for the coconut oil, now you can actually use the cold press, which is the thick one, the strong one, or you can use the liquid one, which is this one that I have here. You measure up a good amount of it. And then you put it inside the lemon. Now you would have to stir this all up first. You stir the lemon plus the coconut oil together first. Alright, now I would have to be putting in the vitamin E, some drop of vitamin E. Now this is actually a very thick oil. stir that up. And then you would have to put in the charcoal. Two tablespoons of charcoal. Now stir this all up. It's gonna be looking really thick. Alright, so now how you're gonna use this is that you're gonna keep it for like, you're gonna keep this mix for like 1 hour, okay, before you actually continue using it. Before you start using it, you're gonna keep it for 1 hour, and then the charcoal plus the other mix is gonna mix together and then give you that very dark color, and then you can apply this onto your hair. Okay, now for me, I actually do not have a gray hair now, but for those people who have gray hair and you intend to darken it all up, now this is one remedy that would help you to darken it. Okay, alright, so now how you're gonna apply this is that you're gonna apply this to your scalp. I would have to use my hand, for example. You're gonna apply this to your hand just like this. You're gonna apply it to your scalp and to all of the places in which you have the white hair on your hair. You're gonna put the mask all together, and yeah, you leave it open. You leave your hair open for another 1 hour. Now you're going to see the magic that's going to do. Okay, now for this mix, guys, you would have to actually continue using it for a little while, because it darkens your hair little by little, and before you know it, all of your hair is darkened. And when it gets darkened, it's just not going to, you know, wash off, except the ingrown ones that are coming, that are going to be white. Okay, so you do that for at most 5 days, and 1 hour you keep it, and it stays on your hair. This is how it looks like. And it's gonna darken your hair. Now if I have to leave this on my hand for like 1 hour and I wash it off, all of the darkness is not going to go off. So that is when you know that, yeah, it's going to darken your hair, but of course it's going to give you this gradual darkness. That's what the charcoal and all of this lemon does. It gives you the darkness, but little by little, and that's it. So this is actually natural, inexpensive, and it's actually very healthy for your hair. It will also help to clean your scalp, removing every lice and dandruff. You're not going to experience any dandruff the moment you put this on your scalp and on your hair. Okay, so that's it, guys. Apply it for some days, just like I said earlier, and you are going to be seeing a whole lot of improvements. Okay, your hair is going to get darker and darker and darker and darker, and of course the ones that you've darkened already is not going to get fade. Yeah, these ingredients are actually simple. Just be consistent in it and you are going to see a whole lot of improvements. So if you love watching the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. And also, I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye and stay beautiful. Cheers.